Hello friends, today's topic is how to control electric door lock from our smartphone. The application that you can see on your screen, it is available on the Google Play Store. Now, firstly I control this lock from bell switch and my smartphone. Bell switch has parallel connections to all floors in the building, and these two wires are need to attach it to SW point of your device and connect lock wires to L1 point of this device. Now, when I press the bell push button, then you can see that the electric door lock is open. Now, also check it from smartphone. When you open your application, then your phone is automatically connected to your device. And when you click on that lock logo, then this device will open your door lock successfully. Here on the application screen at bottom you can see the check option for use screen lock to use smart lock. This means that application will enhance the security by accessing your screen lock before open your door lock. Let's check this. Now check this option and let's reopen the application to check screen lock. When you click on this lock logo, then you can see the application asking to authenticate fingerprint. This is because my default security of my phone is fingerprint access, but it can any of the security option like face lock, pin or pattern. Now I am applying my forefinger and you can see that the door lock is open successfully. Now I am applying my thumb. Earlier I apply my forefinger which is registered in this phone. And now you can see that the app is not authenticated by thumbprint because it is not registered in my phone. As you can see on the app, that app is not recognize the thumb. And again I apply my forefinger on phone and you can see that the door lock is open now. Now let's turn off this lock option and check for the most important share option for your device. When you open the share screen, then at bottom right corner you can see the plus icon. When you click that button, then the new pop-up will show which is asking for Gmail ID, which you need to provide this for adding your sharing person. You can also delete access for that person by long click that list item. Let's understand with the help of example. Suppose you are the owner of your building and you need to add a renter to access this door lock. Then he or she need to install this application and scan this QR code to access this device and log in with same Gmail ID. Now, if you want to remove access of your renter, then you need to just long click that list item and click on yes to delete. Now, the renter cannot be able to control this device anymore. And for the owner connection, this will be telling you at the time of purchasing this device due to some security functions. If you want to purchase this device or this door lock, then you can WhatsApp us on the given number that is flashing on the screen. Now, let's talk about this door lock. Door locks are available in market with different names, but every lock has the same mechanical process. With lock packaging, you will get 6 keys. What? 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which is already in the lever. This lever is attached to your back of the lock, means at the outside of your door to also open your door lock from the keys. Let's take example for old age person that didn't have a habit to take their smartphone. So he or she can open this door lock from these keys. This door lock has a small space behind it to fit this lever which is also a mechanical process. Similarly, lock company will provided us some sheet to looking good and some nut and bolts to fit this lock and lever properly. And one thing more, I need to tell you that if you are the resident of 4th or 5th floor, then you can apply this buzzer also to your electric door lock to get notified after every time when you open your door lock either by bell switch or from smartphone. Let's check the buzzer also. Buzzer has no negative or positive wire. You just need to add this at the same place of lock wires directly. Checking it with bell switch. Lastly, take a look on the connections of this device. On the device top, you can see the point SW where we need to give connections of our bell switch button, and on the other point we need to connect buzzer and electric lock wires. It has only these two connections. Just put the device mainly to the socket and enjoy secure your digital smart lock life. When you give power to your device, then this red light becomes on, and when someone push bell switch or give command from smartphone, then white light becomes active, indicating that door lock is open successfully. So friends, if you like this video, then share my channel to your friends and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.